Thank you for your purchase of a Step 1X by Confer Plastics. You will need the following tools for installation: a rubber mallet, a cordless drill with an 1/8 inch drill bit, a Phillips head driver, a knife, sand. We recommend using filter sand. Begin by laying out the parts. Using a set of pliers or a knife, remove the wedges from both sides of each step and stave. These wedges will be used again in a later step. Lay one of the side panels down on its side. Making sure that the engraved danger, no jumping, no diving markings are orientated towards the front of the step. Insert the steps into the sidewalls. When placing the risers into the step sidewall, it is important to make sure that the holes are facing the back of the step. Place the riser between the step treads and into the recess along the sidewalls. The tabs at the end of the risers will slot into a recess on the sidewall of the steps. Continue placing the rest of the risers into place onto the sidewalls. Place the second side panel over the steps and risers and press the panel down such that each riser and tread are fully seated into the second side panel. If necessary, tap the wedges we saved from the beginning between the side panels and the top surface of both ends of each step. Flip the step over and repeat for the other side. Pilot 4 holes on each of the base pieces. This will make it easier to screw into the sidewall. Secure each of the base pieces to the side panel using the provided screws. Using a sharp knife, carefully separate the handrail posts. If the handrail posts have excess plastic from separating them, they can be cleaned up with a knife or with a piece of low-grit sandpaper. Carry the stairs to the deck or closer to the pool. It will be easier to do this now rather than when we have the steps filled with sand. Next, we will begin the process of adding the sand. This is crucial to prevent the steps from floating. We poured the sand into a bucket, then used an old soda bottle as a pour about 10 pounds of sand into each of the openings on the sidewalls. Shaking the unit or tapping the sides with the rubber mallet will help the sand settle more evenly. Insert the handrail posts. Short posts go to the bottom and the tall posts go on the top. Slide the mounting brackets onto the posts. Place the handrails onto the posts. Screw the handrail to the handrail posts at the indicated location on the bottom and on the top. If you need to step up onto the step to attach the handrails, please have somebody hold the back of it, otherwise it will tip. Drive a screw through the sidewalls to hold the upper and lower handrail into place. Repeat for the other side. With a helper, lower the step into the pool. Tilt the step at an angle to allow the step to fill with water. Tilt again from side to side if necessary. It'll take a few minutes for the step to lose buoyancy and sink to the bottom of the pool. Press the mounting brackets into place and attach. Place the no jumping, no diving stickers on a visible location on the step. Your step is now ready to use. Thank you again for purchasing the Step 1X made by Confer Plastics.